back to my channel. And today, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am so excited about the progress that I'm making to my book, Searching for Odo. And I'm very happy about that. Um, it's been a long time coming, and I hope that you guys like this novella when it comes out. I know that is different than my first book that I published, Becoming a Full Osei. But I know that I hope that I can be able to like reach my intended audience, because it's very hard to like find your audience and stuff like that. So another update was that my book cover designer, my graphic designer, she finished round one of the sketch of the book cover, and I really like it a lot. It's really nice and beautiful, the cover, and I'm just so happy. I would show it to you guys, but I want to do a whole cover review. I don't know when I should reveal the cover, because I don't know if everything works out fine and I'm able to do the editing as soon as possible, because I finished the developmental editing. Now I have to do the other rounds of editing. But once I do that, I just hope that um the book can come out soon, in a hurry. Um yeah, and then I'm also thinking about I'm thinking about doing character art for the book, but I also don't know. I really don't know. But if I decide to do that, then I'll let you guys know in a subsequent video. But what else? The other thing that I did, I bought a Kindle Colorsoft, so it's right here. I don't know if you can see it all the well in this glory. I'm reading this book called No One But You. Yeah, No One But You, Areva. And I really like it, but I have some mixed reviews about the story so far. Because I feel like Areva and Isaac should have known that they should be together, but then this story is so complicated with a whole lot of stuff, drama that's added into this, and I like it a lot. But I also feel like, dang, why can't people be in love? Why is love so complicated? But yeah. What else? I think that's all I have to update you guys on. I have the cover design sketch, the first sketch done. So I can't wait to see it in color and all that stuff in all its glory, and be able to like actually do the proof copies of the book, so I can see it in full physical form. And I'm also almost done. I finished the developmental editing. Now I have to do the other rounds of editing. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I got a new color soft. I'm leveling up here. So I don't know. I haven't really been wanting to be on I haven't really been wanting to be on camera that much lately. I haven't felt like I have stuff to say. So that's also been a challenge for me, but I want to get back to being on camera and showing you guys more stuff about my writing progress and stuff like that. And also becoming Veronica Diallo, I haven't been writing much about it, so I hope that in the few weeks time, or even in this upcoming break that's coming up, I can be able to write a little bit and let you guys get in on some stuff about that. But other than that, I'm just chilling. It's been a bit discouraging when it comes to my book Becoming a Full Say, because a lot of people have been telling me that they didn't really like it that much, and they gave me 3 stars, which 3 stars is nice, but I just was hoping that I would get like 4 or 5 stars in the mix. But it's okay. I'll learn all of my lessons so that my next book can be better for me. But other than that, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you're most excited for the upcoming weeks. And with that being said,